Hello guys, today I will show you how to make a ball game. You will need 4 sprites. I will show you how to make this game. So this is the game. It's a very simple game. This is the only thing it does. If you, now I will teach you how to make the game. So if you don't have an untitled game already, you might have to make a new game. So now delete this sprite. For now I will just choose a sprite like a ball. You could choose any sprite. Now you will choose the obstacles. For now I will just choose a rock. You will also need to choose a backdrop if you wanted. I would choose a flat backdrop like the savannah, but for now use I will just use who is it? The hall. No, that's silly. I'll just use this. Now, since this is too big, you could resize it to what you want. Oh wait, that's big enough. What is it? Oops. I will change it to size 100. Choose whatever. Choose it. Choose whatever you want. So, you will choose a spot for it to spawn. So, go to change y by 10. No wait. Change y by -3. If you want, you can make it harder by making it higher. But for now, I will just make it super simple. Also, don't forget your 4th sprite. You will just need 4 basic sprites. I will name this bottom line. So now you will drag the line to the bottom. Now go to code. Now drag when green flag clicked, drag forever. Wait 1 second. Wait until that's wrong. Now go to sensing, touching, bottom line. And then go to one. Now drag these to the other rocks. And then you will have to modify it very simply. Now oh wait, that's the wrong script. Now delete this one. So as you can see, it works properly. But it's a very simple game. Very. There, that's a perfect. This is randomly generating, so I don't know what will happen. Oh wait, it's not very random. Yeah, not very random. But for now, that will work. Now, drag this. P10. Now go to events. When key pressed and this, you will also make one like that. Right arrow, left arrow. Oh wait, that's backwards. Since it's backwards, you will need to change it. As you can see, it works properly now. But that's super fast. Change it to 5 for now. As you can see, much slower. Now that's good. So, drag another green flag click, get forever, wait until, and drag sensing, touching, rocks. Now go to variables, rename the variable lives. No wait, if you want you could make no lives for now. If you wanted you can make no lives, but for now I will just make distance. Distance. Make a variable called distance. No wait, you don't need to drag that. So change distance by 1, set distance to 0. As you can see, it's very fast. Now, you need to put a weight in here. As you can see, it's much slower, but still very fast. Yeah, that works. Wait until touching rocks. And then, now, you will want to paint another background. Now, it's only gonna be black. You could choose any color, but for now I'm going with black. So, type in game over. There. So now scale it up to there. That's perfect. Oops. So now go to backdrops. But I didn't know there were different balls. Just gonna make it a blue ball. So stop all and then change. Now you will need to put look. Go to looks now. Switch to backdrop 2. Which rocks is it? Is it that one? As you can see, it stops the game for a very long time. As you can see, it breaks the game. Failed at MIT. So good. So that's good. It properly works now. So now to rock and practice. Now, now repeat the same process for every single rock. Now duplicate this 2 times and make it for every single rock. Now as you can see, when you lose, it stops properly. So now we got a proper working game. It's a very basic one, but it's gonna work for now. Also, bye bye guys, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.